Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to OPPO Reno6 5G. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them. Then you need to tap on the search bar and download an app called Send Anywhere. After that, just open it. Now we need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Following that, choose send on OPPO device and receive on OPPO Reno6 5G. Then you need to click on all of those type of dots on OPPO device and choose send in order to send all of those files. It will take a long while though, so I will go with this one photo, choose send and click on got it over here. Now we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on OPPO Reno. Choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Now we need to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always make sure of it by going into some kind of Files app, like Files, clicking on Browse in the middle and tapping on, in my case, Images. Over here you will find Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!